watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing this huge...
Hello. Well, today I woke up to a little dusting of snow. There was ice on the trees, and poor Jason had to go out in it and go to the dentist and get his teeth cleaned today. Were you freezing?
Yes.
Freezing. You took mine?
Heck yeah, mine was covered in snow.
Oh! Mine's in the garage, his is outside. So he took my car. But the snow is all melted now, and it is about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I have my first load of laundry going in the washer, and I want to eat lunch. I am starving. So we're gonna start the day off with lunch. This is what I'm gonna have. My sweet, wonderful husband surprised me with this today. It's one of my favorite Lean Cuisine meals. And I very rarely eat Lean Cuisine anymore. So when he surprised me with that, I was like, oh my goodness, I was so excited. So that is what I'm going to have today. It's a good quick lunch. While we were eating lunch, we found that we are actually behind on Blue Bloods. We thought we only had one more to watch before they're off on their little, you know, Christmas season break, but we ended up having 3 of them on there. So we watched through one of them. We have 2 more to go. Oh, I love that show. And we're always so sad when it ends or they go on break or ends for the year. I just added the laundry from the washer to the dryer. Now I want to put the other load in the washer, get that going. I have a couple shirts I need to treat really quickly. We have been really sick around here lately. I've heard quite a few people say that whatever it is that's going around, it's like nationwide, and it lasts for like 3 weeks. And we're, how many weeks have we been sick? 2? At least 2, 3?
Yeah, about 2.
I think we're gonna be going into our 3rd week next week. It's crazy, and it's a really bad cough, sneezing, like a head cold type flu. It is weird. But I've also heard that strep throat is going around, and lots of other things. So I'm like, oh my goodness, it is the season for that. So because we've had runny noses and all that, we ran out of Kleenex, and Jason was gonna run to Sam's Club and grab Kleenex because we get the big, huge, you know, all the boxes. And he ended up just running into, was it United? Walmart has them. He said there's only a 30-cent difference, and he just went in there, didn't even mess with Sam's Club today. Today is Friday, and it's like a week before Christmas, so I can't even imagine what Sam's Club would be like today. So now we're all stacked up on Kleenex, and we're gonna get those put away too. I just have so much going on right now. And our tea is empty. Jason, did you drink our tea?
Yes. Yes, I did.
There, now the tea is going. We'll have a nice fresh brewed pot of tea for later. This is the stuff I like to treat stains with. I use a Shout. This is dish soap if it's got any grease or anything type stuff in it. The Dawn dish soap takes it right out. And then of course I have my little scrubby. You can find these on Amazon. I will have it linked below. But as you can see, this looks like almost like a grease stain. So I'm going to definitely treat this really well with some Dawn. And I also spray the Shout on it too. Getting ready to take Cooper for a walk to the mailbox, but I have to show you this car leash that was sent to me. This is a body harness with a handle on it, and then this is a leash, and it straps into the car so that Cooper cannot jump around in the car or be on our laps, and we can just focus on driving and not have Cooper bouncing around in the car. It's almost like a bungee material in just one part of the leash. The body harness is very soft, it's cushiony and very comfortable. He loves it. It fits him perfectly, and it's adjustable. Plus the snap on the leash has a lock so that it locks and will not come undone. All right, so as you can see, it fits around his neck area, and it has a really good handle right here that you can just move him around. The leash hooks on easily to the little harness, and then the harness fits comfortably underneath of his chest. Do you love it? Yeah? He loves it. It hooks right around the headrest of the seat. Here's Cooper in the car. with his adorable little car leash on. And then this is adjustable right here. So you can make it either longer or shorter for them, for the reach. And then it fits right around the headrest in the car. And he is all hooked in and safe while we are driving. What do you think, Cooper? I think this is gonna be perfect for us when we are on the road traveling, moving from one place to another. And honestly, as soon as we saw this, Jason was like, that would be perfect for me to be able to take him to the vet. And then I can just hook him in and I don't have to worry about him bouncing around in the car while we're going to the vet. These are sold separately, but they are very inexpensive. And I do have a link for you to be able to check them out. They come in different sizes, different colors. These would be a great gift for a fur baby, or maybe you need one for your fur baby so they stay off from your lap while you're driving in your car. Whew, it is cold out there. Mercy sakes. So what we've been doing, I mean, we've been sick. So we've just been going really super slow with packing things up and taking our time, and then we'll like sit for a while and then do some more, sit for a while, do some more. That's what we're doing. But we did get everything off from the walls throughout the whole house. We filled in all of the holes from the nails and things, and we repainted over everything. So all of the walls except for the boys' rooms are done. We still have to go in and just do some touch-up painting in the boys' room. Other than that, we're ready to pack. So that's what we're going to do right now. We are gonna head back into my bedroom and we are going to do some packing and fill up some boxes because we wanna empty out this cabinet, which is books and stuff in there. And we want to get all the movies off from here. This is well underway. I'm going through all of the books and stuff here. Jason's going to finish this for me. I got mine all laid out right here. We're gonna get them put in boxes. But I need to take a break for a second. Not really a break. I need to get dinner going. It is about 3:30 and I'm gonna put a big old pot of chili on. The one question that most of you had on my video last time was, where are we moving? It was so funny. There was quite a few of you were guessing or hoping we move by you. Okay, I need to share a little bit of a backstory first. So Jason had gotten a job with a company and we were going to be moving to the Dallas-Fort Worth area. While we were getting ready to move there, another company swooped in and started interviewing Jason, and this company was hands down amazing all across the board. Otherwise Jason would have never went through the process of interviewing with this other company, and he ended up getting hired by this company. And where we are going to be moving is Austin. And we are really, really, really excited about it. We were excited if we were moving to the Dallas area anyway, but now that we're moving to Austin, it's just, you know, a whole different section of Texas. Living here, we're 6 hours from Dallas, you know, 8 to 9, 10 hours from Austin. Houston is like 12 hours, 10 to 12 hours to Houston. But once we get down into Texas, we're only gonna be like a couple hours here, a couple hours there, a few hours here. And things are just a lot more closer, and we are gonna have much more stores and a variety of things down there that we just don't have in this part of Texas. So this is the base of the chili. I will have my recipe linked down below, or the video with the recipe in it linked down below. As far as where we're living, we have decided to go ahead and get a rental, which we have one. We found one, and we are just thanking God for the one that we found because rent is ridiculous. Also, I was looking for a single story. I didn't want a 2-story because I just don't want to aggravate my back going up and down stairs. So we found a single story, 3-bedroom home. From the videos that we've seen of it through our realtor, it is adorable and I cannot wait to get there. And then of course I'm going to be sharing all of it with you. There will be some videos in January where it's kind of like some will be here at this house and then some will be there at that house because of the transition and the things that's going on. I needed to film some videos here for January so that I can kind of have a jump start on the month. But I have really been thinking about all the things that's going to happen in the new year. Oh my goodness, it is going to be some amazing videos I'm going to be bringing to you. I am so thrilled at all of the things that me and you are going to get to do together in Austin in 2023. Okay, the book cabinet is completely emptied and packed up. Now on to the movies. Hey, other than it needing a little dusting, but we won't look at that, right, ladies? That is empty as well. That chili was so good. We have quite a bit of it left over, which I'm looking forward to for lunches for like this whole weekend. I love leftover chili. It heats up so good in the microwave. Oh, yummy. That'll be good. We decided to move our moving date up, and we are going to be leaving here on the 27th. So next week for groceries, I've decided to try and clear out as much from my pantry and my freezers, and then we will have, of course, the staples and stuff will be taken with us. But we went through like our meats and stuff, and we have quite a bit of burger in there. So Jason was like, even for lunches, we could be, you know, making burgers and do stuff like that. And I was like, yeah, that's true. But as I was digging in my pantry, I found some items that I forgot that I had. These are meal kits. Yeah. So I figured with these, I have pasta that I want to use up anyway. So I'm gonna just use up what I have here. And then I do have some fresh vegetables coming because they call for fresh vegetables. I have a bag of salad to have salad on the side. And then I also found this for cheesy tacos. Oh, this is the last one. And I haven't been able to find any more of this, at least here in our town. Maybe once we get to Austin, I'll be able to find it again because this stuff is so good. In the mix, you add milk to it. And at first when I did it, I was like, that's kind of gross, but it's cheesy. So you add milk and it is really good. This is one of our favorite taco seasonings if you find it. It's by McCormick. But I'm sure as I'm packing up that pantry, I'm gonna find things that I'm gonna be like, I forgot I had this. I forgot I had this. So the boys just left and they are gonna go pick up the groceries, and we didn't have any substitutes. That's awesome. It's a good day when you don't have substitutes. These are our Christmas cookies this year. I just made some chocolate chip homemade cookies for Christmas cookies. It's really nice to be able to just get however many out of the freezer that we want, pop them in the oven for a few minutes, and we have fresh homemade cookies. I usually make an array of Christmas cookies and like fudge and peanut butter balls and all that stuff for Christmas, but this year chocolate chip cookies are the things that the boys were asking for, and I was like, honestly, that's perfect because I can make them up ahead of time, stick them in the freezer, and then whenever anybody wants any, you can even cook, you know, 1 or 2 at a time if that's what they want. And you got fresh cookies, and the house smells really good with baking cookies. Don't those just look divine? Oh, you should smell them because they smell even better than they look. Okay, the boys just got home with groceries. They're carrying them in right now, and I'm gonna lay them all out and then I'll show you what I got. So I needed quite a few tomatoes, so I just grabbed 2 different bunches of tomatoes on the vine. And because it's grocery day, Cooper thinks that mommy has something for him up on the counter, and I don't, so I gotta find him something. But anyway, a couple green peppers, some cauliflower, I needed a few zucchini, some chicken stock. We're almost all out of our balsamic vinegar. This is the shell that we like to go with that cheesy chicken. And then I got some refried beans and cheesy Mexican rice, some Doritos. These are new. I just discovered these. My sister Cassie was telling me about them. They're an Alani coffee, Alani new coffee, and they have different kinds. This one's a mocha, and I tried it and it's really good. It has 10 grams of protein in it. So if you're needing to get some protein in and you love coffee, give it a try. It's not bad. Needed some light sour cream, fat-free mozzarella, shredded lettuce, and a bag of salad mix. These I got for Cooper when we're traveling. He likes peanut butter in his Kong, and I thought these would be easy to just pack up and take with us. These are so good. Have you tried these? These are a chocolate chip muffin, and these are the pancakes. In a cup, you put a little bit of water in there and put it in the microwave for a minute, and you have either a muffin or pancakes. These yummy things are for our Christmas dessert. We have eclairs and mini cream puffs. I needed some more color grabber. Love these. They save our clothes a lot. We needed some new toothbrushes. And when Jason was looking at these at the store, a lady came up and was like, I'm a hygienist and these are the best toothbrushes. And she said they're only like $5. So we are replacing all of our toothbrushes with those. We were using spin brush, but I told Jay, I'm like, if a hygienist said that, then they've got to be good. But that's what we got, and now we got to put it all away. Okay, groceries are all put away and we are exhausted. It is, I think it's like 8 o'clock. It is. It's 10 after 8. Wow. All right, I am gonna settle in for the night, get my pajamas on. We are gonna watch a Christmas movie. We're not really sure which one. We've watched quite a bit of them this year. I think we only have a few left, don't we? We have like the Christmas Story we have left. We always save our absolute favorites closer to Christmas. I just wanna say Merry Christmas from all of us to you. I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas, and I will see you probably while we're on the road in the moving process. Did you miss the video of what exactly is happening? Well, here it is. All you have to do is click this video and it will catch you up. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day and a very Merry Christmas. I'll see you soon.